Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC prelims question. Okay, in which we are mainly focusing on the economic questions. Okay, so this session is purely focused on how to approach the upcoming prelims exam. Okay, how to solve it in more easier manner. How to eliminate the statements with the key within it. Okay, and also how to eliminate the statements which are have the extreme words. Okay, so all these things will be discussed here. Okay, let's begin the session. Okay, with reference to the governance of the public sector banking in India, consider the following statement. Okay, before that you have to know that these kinds of pattern questions are also easiest one. Okay, but the thing is there will be 50-50 chance. Okay, because there is you can't shortly say something, okay, without knowing anything. Okay, consider that if I am eliminating the statement 2 is wrong. Okay, in such a scenario there will be either A also right or B also right. Okay, so in such a scenario it will be somewhat tougher, but you can go for any guess activities. Okay, these kinds of questions give you 50-50 chance. Okay, when comparing to the previous type, okay, it is 1 and 2, okay, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 to 3. In this in that pattern you can easily find the answer, but here it is only 50-50 chance. Okay, so what I am saying is first you try to find that kind of question and then you go for this kinds of question. Okay, let's start the session. Consider the following statement. Capital infusion into public sector bank by the government of India has steadily increased in the last decade. Okay, there is the thing. Okay, steadily increasing means it is steadily increasing. This is called as steadily increasing. Okay, first thing, and it is also saying that last decade means 1 to 10 year. Okay, consider that in the first 1 year, okay, it is providing 100 crore, means next 1 year it is providing a 200 crore, 300 crore, 400 crore, 500 crore. Such a way it is steadily increasing. Okay, so the graph will be like this. Okay, so by this idea itself you can easily eliminate this statement is wrong. Okay, because the economic, first of all, please be more conscious that the government won't spend that much money on the banking sector. Okay, and also next thing is, see, the economic thing is it's not like the steadily increasing activity. Okay, see, 1 year the government have a lot of money, they can spend it. Okay, the next year itself the economy will be fall down also. Okay, so the economy won't be same as that of the last year. Okay, in the present year there may be flood. Okay, the next year there may be drought. Okay, or else there is any international issue may happen. Okay, so in such a scenario that will directly or indirectly affect the economic activity of the India, that will affect the budget of India. Okay, in such a scenario how you can claim that last full decade, which means 10 years, the time period also it's long. Okay, if it is saying that last 1 year, okay, the government spending on the banking activities increased, means you may have the doubt. Okay, but it is saying that surely that steadily increased in the last decade. Okay, steadily increased in the last decade, which make it is a more extreme statement. Okay, so by that you can easily eliminate the statement 1. Okay, so such a way you have to eliminate it. If any statement which is speaking as last decade, last 5 years, the time period is longer, means definitely the statement will be wrong. Okay, see, this is the some of the mantra you can follow. Okay, if it is saying that last decade, means then there may be mostly 99.99% the statement will be wrong. Okay, because it is speaking of the long period, long time period. Okay, so by that eliminate the statement 1. Okay, to put the public sector bank in order, the merger of associate bank with the parent state bank of India has been affected. Okay, This is actually correct. Okay, so there is a lot of NPA crisis. Okay, and there are lot of expenses faced by the banking activities. Okay, to reduce that, there is the government of India done with the merging of the banks. Okay, so by merging of the bank, that will reduces the administrative cost. Okay, and that will also reduces the expenses related to any other activities. Okay, and that will also make it is more useful for to overcome the NPA crisis. Okay, so for that the merging activity is also done. So the statement 2 is actually correct. Okay, so the answer is B. So in my point of view, how this is the way you have to find the extreme statement. Okay, and eliminate that statement. You can definitely easily go for an answer. Okay, even though if you don't know about the statement 2, you can make a guess. Okay, as a 50-50. If it is come means you will get a 2 mark. If it is not means 0.66. But it is a 50-50 chance. Okay, so this is the thing you have to follow. Okay, so bank merger is essentially an agreement between the two banks, one being a acquiring bank and other being a merged bank. In this process, the two banks combine their assets, liabilities, operations to form a single large entity. This restructuring initiative was particularly significant in the context of the public sector banks in India. So what are the benefits are operational cost reduction, improved technical expertise, improved administrative efficiency, and improved service delivery. Okay, thank you.